and welcome to this week's new release video. This upcoming Friday is the Ultimate Planner Sale. I will go ahead and link down below the website, the Facebook group, and the Instagram if you guys want to check them out. Check out the other shops that are participating. I am an admin for the Ultimate Planner Sale. And then I have got 3 new collections for you guys. They're all fall, hint, hint. And then I also have got the freebies that we will be offering, as well as the freebie packs that will be for the first 40 orders. If you've ever shopped with me during that sale before, you've probably heard about this, but I'll explain all of that after I go through new releases. I want to do these first. So what else? 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when the sale starts. If you are watching this video, all of this is on the website. If you would like to preload your cart, I will have everything up by the time this video goes live. So everything that will be available will already be available by then. We are doing 30% off. We've got freebies, like I said, which I'll talk about here in just a second. And then we also do have $50 off, or not, you guys, it's been so long since I filmed a video. We've got free domestic shipping for orders over 50. That's gonna be after the coupon. And then free Canadian shipping over, I believe it's 75, same thing after the coupon. The freebie sampler packs are for the first 40 orders over $10 USD that are placed. And then actually, you know what, let's just go ahead. This freebie right here, which these are obviously both fall colored, this one is free with all orders, and then this one is free for orders 50 plus, and that will be after coupon. So those are the 2 freebies that I'm doing. I always try to kind of keep our freebies a little bit more simple, just because I end up getting really confused with it if we've got a bunch of different tiered freebies and then have the sampler packs, because I've got to kind of section orders off, if that makes any sense. Anyway, let's get started. Also, I am filming a vlog, a UPS related vlog, like behind the scenes type deal. I asked the Facebook group, they said they wanted to see it, so that is coming. It'll probably be next week though before I'm finished with it. So let's start with the first new collection. All 3 of these, like I said, are fall related. They are also all 3 light gold foil, which we've not done in a minute. So the first one that I've got here is called Bonfire. Oh, you guys, so for an add-on, we do have these girls right here. So if you are interested in picking up an add-on sheet of full boxes, that is that. I also do have the add-on. I printed everything this week, just to go ahead and have. So we also have the option to add on the bow headers for the kit, and then there will be a drop-down option for the actual kit. You can either do the base kit, or you can do the base kit plus the ombre heart checklist, which makes it more of a deluxe size kit, which is this right here. Also, all these kits are gonna be regular priced. I'm not doing the special pricing. It'll be regular priced, and then the code will work. It's too difficult for me to like mark these down and then have the rest of the shop not marked down. It causes confusion, so these will be the regular price, and then the 30% off code will work. So there are your add-on options. And now let's talk about this kit, you guys. It is really early for fall in my opinion, but when I asked what everybody wanted to see, the main answer was fall. And since shops have gone ahead and started to put out fall related art, it seemed like a good time. So up top we have got, let's focus. We've got this really cute tank top here that says Bonfire Babe with this hoodie, acorn, sunflowers, and then the little leaf pattern we've got here, as well as here. That's some of the foiling. This really cute basket that has blankets and pillows. Are we focused? Yeah. Your quote box here says bonfires, s'mores, apples, sweaters, hay rides, hello fall, which I thought was just super cute. We've got a lantern here, another big leaf foiled piece right here, and then this really beautiful scene. This is Elaine's artwork. That's Coffee Doodles Co. I love her so much. Her art is absolutely beautiful. So it's kind of like a lake scene, just really pretty. And then I wanted to also show you guys, these are the all foil kits, but I wanted to show you guys the bottom washi that goes with it. I hope that I'm not gonna have focusing issues through this whole video. So this is your bottom washi, which I am just in love with. So it is, come on, there we go. It is a bunch of leaves. There's a little bit of confetti above it. So once it's all together, it is, come on, there we go. It's just too much foil. It is just very fall. lots of leaves. So, and the funny thing is I called this Bonfire and I called the next collection Leaves, and there's not, it's not, it should got reversed, but that's fine. As far as these colors, very traditional fall. We've got a dark like forest green, a very like rusty color, or actually maybe the orange rust here, but this is more of like a red rust. I'm sure there's a better term that somebody's gonna let me know. And then we've got this really pretty yellow as well. So I'm obsessed with these colors. You've got your flags, your arrows, weekly tracker, daily tracker, bottom washi, and then your date covers down here that are foiled. Again, with the full boxes, I'm ready. To be honest, I'm kind of ready. It's not gotten super hot here yet. I mean, it's been kind of warm, but it's not been doing it long enough for me to feel like I need fall, but I am ready for fall kits. So the next page in this collection, which would be the base kit, has got your boxes. You've got your tiny little 1/8 boxes here. You've got quarter boxes. You've got half boxes. These are all squared off. You've got your bow checklist, your scalloped banners. You've got some appointment labels, 3 bow checklists, 2 of the 2 bow checklists. And I just want to kind of show you guys just a little bit closer in case you haven't seen these kits before. So there is the foiling through there. And then your third sheet of the kit has got your headers, your washi. Oh, we're gonna have focusing problems through this whole video. I'm sorry, y'all. And then you've also got some more boxes as well as flags on the bottom. So you've got your bow headers. This one printed a little bit off. This is gonna be oopsed out. And then you've got your washi that has that confetti bow foiling. And then some of the bows down here as well in the flags. There's foil on my nails. Fun. But anyway, so that is the Bonfire collection. This 4-page again is the base kit, and then there is the option on the drop down menu. You guys, I'm so sorry about the focusing. It's on autofocus, so I'm not too sure what's going on. In the drop down menu, you will have the choice between base kit or base kit plus the ombre heart checklist, so that it would be a deluxe kit. And then I do have micro kits for all 3 of these new collections. Well, one is a reformat, but so this is your micro version of the kit. So you've got that quote box here, acorn box here. You have your date covers, 3 heart checklist, 2 heart checklist, foiled bow headers. There are 8 of those. And then you've got your foiled bow flags down at the bottom, as well as your foiled quarter boxes here that just have the like more minimalistic line foiling. And then your second sheet for micro is not foiled. You guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what is happening. You've got your 3 heart checklist, weekly tracker, 2 daily trackers, little things, washi, and then your boxes down here at the bottom. So that is the entire Bonfire collection. So for the rest of these, I'm just gonna kind of go through them a bit faster since they are gonna be the same format. So the next one is called Leaves. And again, it probably should have been, I mean, this one has nothing to do with the Bonfire, but this one is more, I mean, there's leaves on here too, but there's, you know, the pumpkins and everything here. And then the other one had all the big leaf foiling. But if we can get to focusing here, sorry about Oz. So we've got the, top box here, this foiling, which I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it is like a falling leaf pattern with some confetti that is present throughout the kits. You guys can see it is in that box as well. So we've got this really cute box with the pumpkins and the girl holding her mug, the leaves here, this really, really cute house. Down here we've got some leaf pattern as well as the hat pattern over here, and then your quote box says happy fall y'all. Down at the bottom we've got this big pumpkin foiled piece, and then this double box I'm obsessed with. It's got the 2 girls holding their mugs, and then I did the falling pattern there as well. You guys, I'm so sorry about the camera. I'm not totally sure if it's the lighting or what. And then for your bottom washi for this collection, you've got this big pumpkin foiling as well as this like kind of like dainty vine slash leaf. Then you still have your date covers, you've got your bow washi, and then you've got your flags and your trackers. So the colors for this kit aren't quite as traditional, but I really love them as well. So we have this brown that is really cool tone, this gray that is more of like a grayish, and then it's like a beigey gray. This yellow and then this red are both the same from the other collection. So these are the same colors. So yeah, that is those together. A little bit difficult to see. And then for your second sheet, you have got your boxes as well as your checklist, and then your third sheet has your headers as well as your washi and then some extra boxes. So that is the base version of Leaves. And then I've got the bow header add-on option here, as well as the ombre heart checklist option that's available on the drop down. And then we do have a micro version of that kit as well, which is this right here. So you've got that box with the girl with her coffee, if it'll focus, that has the foiling, and then your quote box that says happy fall y'all. Date covers, boxes, headers, same format as the last micro that I showed. So I'm not going to spend too much time because this video is going to be a bit longer because I'm going to show the samplers. So that is that. Next, this is a reformat of one of our favorite fall kits from last year, and I knew immediately when I did the format that was the all foil that I needed to bring this back as an all foil collection. So this is called Fall Floral. It is, I'm obsessed. It's marble and then obviously the florals, very fall colors, but also just really beautiful. Like, if we can focus, that would be just wonderful. We've got like a deep blue, a more, I don't even know what to call, like a royal blue almost, a burgundy, and then kind of a peachy pink, and I'm obsessed with these colors for fall. You guys can see this is more minimalistic foiling. You've got a quote box that says make today beautiful. You have got the minimal line foiling. There is a box down here at the bottom that has the bow. I feel like my lighting is getting worse, the sun is setting. And then you've got the bow confetti and a few of these boxes as well as a little bit of that side confetti. I love this kit. This is one of my all-time favorites, of course, because it's floral. So I wanted to bring this one back. And then we've got your second sheet here that's got your boxes, your checklist. Next sheet has got your headers as well as your washi and your flags. And then your last sheet is the bottom washi sheet. So you've got your bows, and then for the bottom washi, the larger bottom washi, you've got that confetti bow foiling. And I love this kit so much. There's quite a few fall kits that I actually want to bring back this year. So it's just gonna take me a couple more weeks. I was gonna do 4 collections this week and then decided to pull back and just do the 3. So I've also got here the bow headers that match that collection. If the camera shakes, it's me touching the viewfinder to make it focus. I'm not too sure why it's not focusing. And then here is your ombre heart checklist add-on. And then you have got the micro version of the kit here. So you've got this box that has the confetti bow foiling, and then the box that has the actual bow over here. Date covers, headers, and then here is your second sheet. And yeah, so that is the fall floral collection. So those are the new collections for this week. I'm gonna put these under a candle really quickly because they did not get time to press, and I need to get some photos. So those are available. If you're watching this video and you want to preload your cart, they'll be up now. I already showed you guys these. So we've got our all freebie and then our 50+ freebie. And then there is also the free shipping options that will kick in automatically. There is no code needed for that. The code for UPS will be announced at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow on UPS's Instagram, Facebook page, my Facebook group, my Instagram, anybody else that's participating. I'm sure you guys will see it pop up if you're following any of the shops. And then I want to show you guys the sampler packs. So I am still waiting on other samplers like normal. Right now I'm missing like, I think 6 from 6 different shops, which is slightly concerning only because they should have been here. There was a new rule put into place that everything needed to be shipped within a certain time period. So I'm not sure though. It's definitely possible that with USPS, I know they're having a lot of issues that things are stuck in places. I've not actually gone in to check, so I'm gonna have to go in and check. So there will be more added to these. I'm hoping if they show up. If not, then it also depends on how quickly I ship. Generally, if I'm waiting on stuff, I will go ahead and ship the orders that have the packs, and then when things come in, I will just add in random samplers as I go. So if you are within the first 40 orders, you will get either one of these 2 packs. They may be different. It may not be exactly what I'm showing here. Some shops do put different things in each, but I'm gonna just kind of go through what I've got. So first thing, and you know what, well, no, I'm trying to not have to mess with the camera too much, but first thing that I've got here is from Kimmy's Studio. This is a really pretty sunflower freebie, super cute. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time doing this because I know YouTube's gonna give me problems when I go to upload. So the longer the video, the longer it's gonna take me to upload it, and I need to get this up. So next is from Planning for 6, a really, really cute summer freebie, really nice paper as well. Next is from, I hope I'm saying this right, Sasso Co. And this again is a really cute summer themed freebie. I love the little dogs, super cute. Next is Sticker Me Happy, and this is a really cute rainbow sampler. Next is from Pookie Bear Cuties. This is Elvira. She did a really, really adorable beach theme, which is just so cute. Next is Suddenly stickers. Really adorable. I love the little cats. She actually sent me a journaling card with these, and it is this cat, but dressed like, it's got like a Yoda hat on, and it is the cutest thing that I've ever seen. Next is from Pen, Paper, and Plans, and it is a journaling card. And then next is from Ryan. This is from, well, Dream Plan Repeat is her shop. No, okay, but this is her other shop. So this is Mama's Got a Budget, and these are, focus, these are like laminated cash envelopes, which how cute is that? And then in there as well, she did a little marble freebie. But yeah, so these cash envelopes are super cute. But yeah, so Mama's Got a Plan. So that is all for the first pack. Once the others come in, I will split them between the two if they come in. So next is, we've got a clip here from Clippy Chick Creations, really adorable. We've got a little sampler from the Planning Queen. It's super functional, and it even has a little, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but like a little scratch off. I need to do scratch offs. Our shop's anniversary sale is coming up in July as well, and there's gonna be 2 different weekends of stuff going on. So for one of those 2, I'll do scratch offs on some samplers for you guys. Next is from Caffeine Queens. This is super cute. It's on, if you guys can, there. It's on like a little teacup. It says, I don't give a sip, super cute. Next is from Pixel Cloud Co. And I saw this and thought this was really adorable because it's just like the line drawing down here, which I think is so fun because it matches everything. Next is from the Beautiful Mess Co. We've got a nice functional freebie here as well. These with the bows are super cute. And then we have got, let's do Peel and Heal Studio. I really like this as well. I love anything that's kind of like the, what's it called? The handwritten scripts. I can't think of what the term is. Hand lettered. I think that those are super cute, and I love using those kind of stickers. And then next is, you guys know, Bean Sprout Paper Co. This is from Britain's shop. I love her stuff. She's also an admin for the sale. And then Elvira Pookie Bear Cuties is actually one of the co-founders or co-creators of the sale. So yeah, this is from Britain's shop. It's got Scoot. Really fun summery colors. And yeah, that is the second pack that I've got for right now. I'm gonna assume that most of the others are gonna show up, but like I said, some people did send different freebies, so you may not necessarily get what you just saw if you are part of the first 40 orders. Generally, the first 40 orders in our shop are gone within the first 5 to 10 minutes. Just, it kind of depends. So if that is something you are interested in, I would say go ahead and have your cart preloaded and be ready to check out at 9 o'clock. Yeah, I think that's it. If you guys have any questions about the sale or anything else, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you check out all the other shops that are participating. Let me know which one of these 3 kits is your favorite, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.